We're back now at the Angie Hedge from Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin with another tasty recipe for us this month of August. Hi, Angie.
Hi, I'm so excited. This month of August, we're talking about Wisconsin State Fair winners and summer salads. It just seems so seasonal. Everything is ripe and fresh right now. So we're talking about fresh cheeses and also some of the Blue Award winners from the State Fair, which is exciting. This week is actually the State Fair Cheese and Butter Auction, which raises a lot of money for the Wisconsin State Fair Promotion Committee. So I'm going to be there this week, and some of these cheeses are going to be on display at the State Fair and being auctioned off for a very good cause.
Feta is good in so many different ways.
Feta is so good. It's good all year long, but especially good in the summertime for salads because it has that tangy taste. It really highlights a Wisconsin salad, and it's so fresh and delicious. And we're really proud of the fact that Wisconsin makes a lot of award-winning feta. This came from the Klondike Cheese Factory in Monroe. We've talked about them before because they keep winning more awards, but it's one of the State Fair blue cheese winners, and it also swept the class of feta at the World Championship Cheese Contest.
Awesome.
So pretty amazing. They have 5 Wisconsin master cheesemakers, 5 generations, and they've been in business for over 100 years.
Oh, that's amazing.
So pretty remarkable.
Okay,
and
is
today
this
we're
watermelon?
pairing it with watermelon.
Wow.
Watermelon and feta are just a fabulous combination. You'll see lots of salads on the internet that have feta and watermelon together. You get the sweetness and the tanginess of the feta. Then we cut all these into triangles. We grilled the feta on the grill, and then we sliced the watermelon, and then we topped it with blueberries, fresh salad, some red onions, and then we have a tangy Greek yogurt dressing that you can just drizzle on top. Believe it or not, Klondike also makes Greek yogurt as well.
Okay.
So the Greek yogurt, the feta, it's just such a bright seasonal dish that would be perfect for any potluck or picnic.
Well, what a fresh summertime meal, too, and something kind of fun.
Bright and colorful. Melons are really seasonal right now. You can find all of these recipes on wisconsincheese.com. You can learn more about our Wisconsin master cheesemakers, recipes, pairings, and especially just try that feta and watermelon this month.
I'm excited to try it.
Yeah.
All right, Angie, as always, thank you.